Hello, ladies. This is Like a Rose in the Summer alto. That's your starting pitch. Ready? Like a rose in the summer, I bloom and grow. I shine in the sunlight like morning dew, singing songs with the birds flying high on the breeze, sharing secrets with the wind as it whispers through the trees. Like a rose in the summer, I bloom and grow. Like a winding river, I am free. Like the rippling water, I travel on. From high in the mountains to the valley to the sea, I answer the voice that is calling to me. Like a winding river, I am free. Make sure to stagger breathe. I breathed a lot, but you can sit out a note to breathe. Okay? Happy practicing.